Hey guys, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer. Now I'm going to do a very unique and interesting video. I just noticed that most of my subscribers, they've got their own YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what happened here on the 19th that created a change in this graph. As you can see, after the 19th, the views have increased up until they reach this peak. Okay, so as you can see somewhere here, the views are increasing. These are the views. Let's just quickly check on the subscribers. Okay, what might be the change in subscribers? Let's look for the 19th. Okay, as you can see, this is the 19th. After the 19th, check here what happened. Okay, from here on the 21st, okay, things just change. Okay, there is a spike here. Okay, so in this video I want to talk about what I did. Obviously I'm coming from a software development background, and also I've got a background in mathematics, so this means that I like the relationship between numbers, to observe things more like, you know, a statistician kind of a guy. So numbers talk to me. So what I did an experiment, okay, to see how can I increase my views. Obviously the experiment that I did doesn't come from my own knowledge and my own intelligence. It comes from listening to advice to people like Mr. Beast, Think Media, what else, TubeBuddy, and also other guys. So guys, on the 19th, this is what I did. Okay, I have changed my thumbnail design from this to this. Okay, obviously I used to hear that thumbnail matters, but when you are new in YouTube, okay, this is your mistake or your problem or your fundamental flaw. You think it's all about you. It's normal, guys. When you get in here, you want to share your story, you want to share your content, you want to share your video, you want to share how you think, you want to share your philosophy. After 2 years of getting no views, or 3 years or 6 months or whatever, you will start to seek advice from other people. I did that. Okay, obviously you know by now that thumbnail is very important. Okay, people have been talking about the thumbnail, but it didn't sink into my head up until I did this experiment. Okay, so after I've changed from this thumbnail to this one, okay, because I wanted to be sure if is this working. Okay, what I did a screenshot. Okay, let me just show you this. Okay, since I know I might forget, so what I did a screenshot so that I can capture the day and the date. Okay, so that I can capture the day and the date. As you can see, this is 2024 January the 19th. Okay, the 19th. This is what I was doing. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. As you can see, I have updated my thumbnail. I think also I've changed the title a little bit, but the title wasn't that important. It didn't change much. Maybe if it has changed, it's just it has got 2024 and that's it, or Next.js was already there. So I have changed my title to my thumbnail to this. Okay, as you can see, this is how it was before. Okay, this is how it was before, and this is how it is now. Okay, so let's just talk about what was my thinking behind this. The reason why I want us to talk about it, I want to help you to do away with the mentality of me mentality, my ideas, my own way, because unfortunately we are using YouTube as a platform. I want to switch your mind from the me attitude to the audience attitude, something that I did here. Okay, so this was me. Okay, even though I've got a background in design, I'm a graphic designer and also I'm a developer, but I didn't take much, I didn't give much of the effort for my own work and for my own channel. So this is what I did. Okay, as long as it was nice, it was clean, it was simple, I was happy with it. And unfortunately for me, it was not enough. So what I did, I decided to check on the industry. Okay, let me just go here, and I think we are done with this page. Okay, the reason why I want to show you this, I just want to show you that it only worked when I have sacrificed my own ideas. Okay, I just search for shared CN. Okay, obviously guys, this is not a special trick or whatever. I'm just here to confirm that it works, so that when you are doing it in your own channel, just do what works. Because in my channel I struggled to get views. I don't want to lie. There was a time where I was like 2 years down the road, and I was having like, I think it was 56 subscribers. So obviously I was doing something wrong. But you know, with people, we continue to do something that is wrong since because we are emotionally attached to it. Okay, this is what I want you to look at. This is what I did. Okay, these are the videos that are getting more views, and I wanted to know maybe why. Okay, when you look at the thumbnail, there is that morphic, okay, effect. Okay, as you can see, some sort of a blurry effect, and also there are some UI elements or colors there. Okay, UI elements or colors. Okay, let's check this one. It's dark UI elements. Okay, check this one. It's dark with UI elements. Okay, check this one. This one, it's a little bit different, but it's dark. Okay, with bold colors, and it's better than mine. Okay, that's what we can say. Even though it's different, but it's better than mine. As you can see, it's dark. It has got the patterns. Okay, it's dark. It has got some patterns, some stripe lines there. It has got some borders, some graphs there, and also even the text is interesting, guys. It's not like plain as mine. Okay, fortunately for me, now on the how many videos. The first one is an advert. 1, 2, it's an advert. 3, 4, 5, as you can see, guys. Okay, I'm coming like number 5 from a search, a YouTube search. Okay, I'm coming at number 5. This is my video. Okay, so as you can see, the thumbnail has changed. So what I did, guys, I am not that intelligent or that smart or that clever. I just decided to sacrifice my own ideas and focus on what works for other people. And also that's what the YouTube team which are busy with the algorithm, they are recommending. So the first takeaway from this video, sacrifice your own ideas and just follow what is working. I know it's difficult to do. It's difficult even not only from YouTube, it's difficult from being a craftsman. Okay, let's say you are a bricklayer, and somebody said just copy this style of the other guy and implement it and build the house. We always feel like disrespected. We always feel like we are the fake. We have sold out to our own creativity. Yes, it might be so on the graphic design industry or the building industry or the art, the drawing industry, but here on YouTube, this is something that you must get used to. Copy what is working. It took me almost like 2 years to finally do it, but in the end I had to, because I've just noticed that the channel was not growing. So number 1, do what others do. That is my first takeaway. Okay, do what others do. And then number 2, after I have noticed what other people are doing, this is the problem that I had. Okay, if you can look at my original design, I have screenshotted shared CN's background. Okay, let me just quickly say shared CN. Okay, I want to show you. This was my second problem. Okay, this was my second problem. Okay, this is shared CN. Let's check on dark mode. Okay, this was my second problem. Okay, now that let me just check components or examples. Okay, let me click here. So now that I've noticed that I need to check what is already working. This is not the page that I'm looking for. I'm looking for a colorful page with graphs. Here is the page. Okay, so now that I have noticed what is working, okay, I was not thinking like a marketer. I was not thinking like an advertiser. Okay, I was not thinking human psychology. What I did, I took a screenshot, shared CN screenshot, okay, but mine has got some orange graphs, yeah, sorry, lime graphs, which is green, okay. But what I did, I sampled exactly shared CN's, what can I say, layout, okay, and I wanted to incorporate it here on my design. As you can see, guys, it's not even visible, okay, let alone that it's original, it's authentic, it's shared CN's, what can I say, shared CN layout or true reflection of shared CN, but it didn't serve the purpose. So I have to think, what am I trying to do? Okay, am I trying to reflect shared CN as it is, or I am trying to entice the viewer to click the video? Okay, once my mind was made up and it was solid clear, it was like I had only one goal, and my goal is to entice the viewer. I started to think about, what if I can take any interesting background, okay, any interesting UI background. It doesn't have to be shared CN. That was point number 2. So my point number 2 for you, or my takeaway, the second takeaway in this video, is that don't try to be authentic. Okay, authenticity, it's a bit of a challenge when it comes to YouTube. Obviously, you might get this the other way. Okay, let me just explain what I mean. Okay, I am Matthew. I'm a designer and a developer. I'm from South Africa. I'm a black guy. I like to explain a lot. I talk slow sometimes. This is me. This is something that I cannot change. As soon as I try to be Mr. Beast as Mr. So-and-so and Mr. So-and-so, it's a problem. I'm not being authentic. So when I'm talking about authenticity, I'm not saying sacrifice who you are, your core, your essence, your beliefs, and your fundamentals. Okay, I'm not that guy. Okay, I don't promote that. Be who you are exactly. But there are some things which are surrounding who you are, okay, which is, for instance, your thumbnail, your YouTube channel, what can I say, your brand and other things. Remember, those things which are surrounding you, or let's say your hustle, let me put it that way. You are not your hustle, but your hustle reflects you, okay. I am not my channel, but my channel reflects me. That needs to be clear in my mind. I am not a thumbnail, but the thumbnail needs at least to represent me. So in a way, a thumbnail is serving a lot of purposes, meaning that it's an extension of me. So my initial mistake was to reflect exactly what shared CN is, which in most cases is not interesting to the viewer. So what I did, I decided to take any picture which was pleasing to me, okay, and put it there. Colorful, bright, interesting, and it entices the viewer to click, okay. And then from there I was like, okay, now I'm facing a problem because I have to write something, okay. So meaning that if I'm using a bright background, as you can see that you cannot read it, so I was like, okay, I wanted that background to be there, so I'm willing to sacrifice the text just for that background, because I knew what is working, okay. So what I did, I've just put a transparent black there, okay, and added a little bit of transparency, okay. I've added that transparency like small, little enough, just to make the words visible, because I still need that background, okay. I didn't want that background to fade away, okay guys. So I think that was it. And then I put the text, shared CN UI ultimate course. I think I've added 2024, which was not here, okay. Why 2024? Number one, this is what I think it suggests to the viewer, okay. Number one, this is current, this is fresh, this is now, this is updated. Why this is important, particularly in my industry, software industry, okay, or software development, I can say, okay. These libraries that we are using, they are always getting updated, okay. So let's say if 2023 and 2022 and 2024, there is a big difference to us, because we know that I'm not going to click a video which was done like in 2022, because maybe ShedCN now has updated. I want a video that is current, that has got the latest update, so that I know that whatever that I'm learning, it's something that I can implement now, instead of clicking a link from the video to a ShedCN library, and when I'm getting there, a lot of things are deprecated, or that page is no longer maintained, or something like that. Okay, so I will end there for now. Okay, I will end there for now. So my takeaway will be, number one, check for the guys who are big in the industry, guys like Mr. Beast. Okay, check these guys and take their advice as they are. Strange enough, when you are new in YouTube, you want to change the industry. I don't know why. Okay, so nobody comes to YouTube, what can I say, with everything set in place, or with an ear that can listen. Okay, we all come in with our notions, with our biggest idea, with our authenticity, but we always find out later that it's not working. Okay, so I would like to say, don't think like a content creator, think like a human psychologist. Okay, think like a marketer, think like an advertiser. Okay, think like what can I say, a business person. Give people what they like. I think that it's the best definition of the YouTube algorithm. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel. I'm teaching people coding and user interface design. So if you might be interested in that, you can check my own WhatsApp clone. I'm busy with the WhatsApp clone, as you can see. Okay, I've got some interesting things in here. Otherwise, I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.